It's World Watch of 4th class. We are reading Lahore. Okay, now we start. Climate of Lahore. Let's start. Lahore has hot, wet summer and dry, cold winter. Hot, wet summers, dry, cold winters. Okay. Dust storms can occur in summer. It's a major problem of Lahore. Okay, dust storms. And fog in winter. It's also a major problem of Lahore. Okay. Fog is causes of accidents, traffic accidents. Okay. Fog produces causes of traffic accidents. The hottest months are May, June and July. The temperature is usually 24 to 40 centigrade in summer. Okay. Temperature is very high in summers. Temperature means जो हमारी गर्मी बढ़ रही होती है उसे टेम्परेचर का बढ़ जाना कहते हैं, और लो होती है तो उसे टेम्परेचर गर्मी कम होती है तो उसे टेम्परेचर का कम होना कहते हैं. ओके. द मानसून सीजन मीन्स रेनी सीजन इज फ्रॉम लेट जून अंटिल सेप्टेम्बर. ओके. जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, अक्टूबर, September. Okay. Most of the rain falls in July and August. It starts from June and ends from September, but most of rain falls in July and August. Okay. The cooler months are from December to February, when temperatures are 7 to 21 centigrade. Okay. Cooler months from December, January, February, when temperature are 7 to 21 centigrade. Okay. Okay students, next page. The lowest temperature ever recorded was minus 1.1 centigrade in January 1967. Okay. In 1967, before a long time, lower temperature recorded minus 1.1 centigrade in Lahore. Okay. In the January 2011, Lahore had a strong hailstorm that covered the city. Hailstorm means ओलों का पड़ना. That covered the city in white hailstones. Okay. Hailstone that fell in Lahore in February 2011. Okay. This hailstones covered the city like that. It's a picture of that hailstorm. Okay. It's record of Lahore. Okay. Here is a temperature chart for Lahore. It shows the average low temperature, night and high temperature of day for each month in centigrade. Okay. High temperature of day and that's L shows the lowest temperature of night. Okay. Majority in night time Lahore has low temperature and daytime has high temperature. Okay. In January, Lahore has 6 centigrade temperature at night time and 20 centigrade temperature at daytime. In February, Lahore has 9 centigrade temperature in daytime and 20 in night time. Lahore has 9 centigrade temperature in February at night time. Okay. And 21 centigrade temperature in daytime. In May, 14 centigrade temperature at night time and 27 centigrade temperature in daytime. In August 20, it's high temperature. Okay, but it's low than day temperature because 20 centigrade temperature in night time and 34 centigrade temperature in daytime. In May, it's the hottest month of Lahore. In night time 24 centigrade temperature. It's high temperature but it's low temperature than day temperature. Day temperature is 39. Okay. In June time it's also high temperature, June and July, but it's less than day temperature because June day temperature has 40 and July day temperature has 36. Okay. Now let's start rainy season, monsoon season. Okay. August night temperature is 26 and day temperature is 35. and September 24 at night time, and 35 is in daytime. In October, October 18 centigrade temperature in its normal season. October and November, its normal season, normal weather in Lahore. October and November have normal same weather. October 18 centigrade season in temperature at night time, 18 temperature centigrade temperature in night time, and 33 temperature centigrade temperature in daytime. November 12 it's low. November in November 12 centigrade temperature in night time, and 27 centigrade temperature in daytime. And December, because December is a cold, and winter is started from December. Winter starts from December. Therefore, night time has 7 degree temperature, and daytime has 22 centigrade temperature. And January and February also winter. Now you can give answer the questions in your notebook. Which month has the lowest night temperature? January. January has the lowest nighttime temperature. Which month have the highest night temperature? You can see here 27. 27. Which month? June and July. June and July June and July have the highest nighttime temperature. Which month has the lowest daytime temperature? Which month has 22, 27, 35, 20? It's low. January has the lowest daytime temperature. Which month has the highest daytime temperature? Daytime temperature is 40 highest. It's June. June has the highest daytime temperature. It's done, students. Now we will start people of Lahore. About 10 million people live in Lahore. 10 million. In 1 million has 10 lakh. In 1 million has 10 lakh, and 10 million has 10 times 10 lakh. 10 times 10 lakh, 100 lakh. People come from other parts of Pakistan and other countries to live and work there. Because Lahore has many factories, many businesses and many other facilities of jobs. Therefore, peoples come from other parts of Pakistan, like other cities, other provinces, and other countries for doing job in Lahore. Because Lahore has a very big facility of jobs, of businesses. Most people speak Punjabi. Most of people living in Lahore speak Punjabi. Many others speak Seraiki, Urdu, and also English. Most of the people in Lahore are Muslims. There are also Christians, Hindus, Parsis, and Sikhs. Christians, you know, but Muslims, we are Muslim, alhamdulillah. Some are Christians and some are Hindus. You know about that, Hindus and Parsis and Sikhs. Parsis like communist persons. And ये जो पारसीज है ना बच्चों, ये मुझे लगता है आग की पुस्तश आग की करते हैं. दे आर नॉन बिलीवर्स ऑफ गॉड. अल्लाह हाफिज़.